And then once I have everything written out, the next thing, you want to do after you lay out and decide what you want to include in your vision board is to, look at magazines, extract quotes, um, find affirmations, because your vision board is supposed to inspire and motivate you to action. So you want to make sure that everything on your board is a reflection of your vision, but also is inspiring, so that when you look at it, you always keep in focus that this is my dream. This is what I'm working for. I'm working toward. So I also like Pinterest as a source, especially, when it comes to how I want my house to look, or, different things. You want to get inspired. So, look on the internet, look on Pinterest, look on social media, grab magazines and get those printed out.